Alright guys, this is Grub Hunt 1067 for Batman Adventures number 12 newsstand. Get a timestamp. Fill those mini spots in. Uh, 2013 on the 6th of October. 2013 on the 6th of October. And the list at 170 is Roger. Right up to spot number 1, which is I think Morris. Yep. And I put those in, so 170 Roger. That was a mini spot, so I'll put an M next to that. And then up to 1, we've got Morris. So let's get that going. We'll roll 3 dice. Five, 10, 11. Alright, good luck everyone. Winner, hit me up when you've seen this and I'll have it out in the mail tomorrow. 170 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so that's rolled 9 times. Dice was 5, 10, 11, so 2 more to go. Second last. And last one, good luck everyone. Ooh, I don't know if I did that quick enough, but I didn't see it. So 11 times. 5, 10, 11 times. Let's see who the lucky person is to take this home. Spot. God damn, Kevin. Nice one, mate. Winner, chicken dinner. 170 items. Hit me up when you say that and I'll have it out to you. 5, 10, 11. Timestamp. 8:15. It just ticked over to 8:16 then. Alright, thanks everybody. Yeah.